Hello, darlings. Hello, Paula. Hello, Cindy. How are you doing today? Guess what I've got on my crown today? I thought maybe, it was fitting because, I am a queen. Maybe the queen of the Nile, perhaps. I'm not sure. But look here, I have got a wand today. And I wanted to wave my wand around. And I thought maybe I have like magic in my wand now. It has special powers in it, and I think that I could to touch happiness into your life. You know what I mean? I could touch happiness into your life. This is what I would want to do for you. I just think that you all are so very special to me, and I just thought, I just want to bring a little bit of magic in your life. So I've got powers in this wand. And so you step up into the front here, you put your nose up to the window, and I will touch you, my darlings. Touch, touch, touch. There you go. You will have lots of love and lots of money, and you will just be a blessing wherever you go. You will be a blessing, and you will be lots and loved, lots and loved, lots of loved. I wish I could talk today. I've got a major problem with vocabulary today. I can't seem to get the words out. What is wrong with me, Jill? I don't know. Anyway, this magic wand, I will be using it again to touch your life and make everything right, and that is my job, besides bringing the planes this way. I got to also park the planes, my job at the airport. I also have to do that, so oh gosh, I think I'm late for the planes. Ooh, ooh, I love you guys so much. I shall see you later. Bye.